Hi everyone, and welcome to the first module. I want to go through some of the tabs with you that you'll find that will be important in the course. If you have any questions, please always send me an email, and I'm always here to support you with whatever you need. But I look forward to working with you. Here's the announcement tab. The announcement tab will contain information on the examples in the discussion board. I put meet your instructor, so it gives you a little bit about myself. It has a prezi and it has a narration, and the to-do list I will always post for you. If you click here on the syllabus, this will outline what we're completing each week. If you click on the syllabus right here, it'll open what we're completing, but I'll open it as well in the document. Now there's a couple parts I want to focus on in the syllabus to provide guidance, and if you have any questions on it, please let me know. Here's the textbook that's needed for the course. If you would like to buy an earlier edition book, that would be fine. You could buy the third or second edition book, and it might be only $1 to $2. And that would save you a lot of money and still have all the content that you need. Here are the table of contents. So if you buy an earlier edition book, you have the table of contents. Here is the course schedule. So this is the most important component of the course. Of the syllabus. These are the end dates of the modules. The dates might be off for your class, but check the syllabus for the correct dates. But these are the end dates of the modules. So module 1 will end, for example, by 9/5. By 9/5, you should be reading chapter 1 and 2 and have discussion board number 1 completed. This is how you read this document right here. Now, your grade is going to be based on the following components. 3 discussion boards worth 100 points each, 5 quizzes worth 100 points each, and the final exam worth 200 points. Here is the calculation of your grade. There's no rounding of your grade, so if your grade falls at a 93.99, you get A minus. There's no rounding. Here's the expectations of the discussion board. Make sure to review this. Another key in the discussion board is your first post is due by the first Thursday of every module when it opens. So if the first module opens, let's say, for example, this week, and the module is 2 weeks long, by the first Thursday, that's when your first initial post should be due for the discussion question. I also have some rubrics in here for the discussion and the quiz and final exam policy as well. If you click on the module tab, the module tab will have a getting started module. And in this getting started module, it'll give you the academic calendar, some of the NSC policies, an introduction, a readiness quiz, and then you have module 1. In module 1, it's going to contain, let me open this up for us, it's going to contain always the following components. So here's the module 1 to-do list. You click on this, it tells you what you have to do for this module. It's going to contain the module 1 teaching summary, which is going to be the summary that I've developed for chapters 1 and 2. It's going to create the module 1 videos, which are going to be various videos that that I have put into the course to help you out. Contains the chapter 1 and 2 PowerPoints. It will always contain the instructor guidance video, and it also will be discussion board number 1. Now let's review discussion board number 1 and what the components are. For discussion board number 1, I'm grading you on the following. 20 points for having your first post by Thursday in the module. Your initial post was worth 60 points. 20 points for each peer response for a maximum of 40 points. Here's the question that I'm looking at. What is your opportunity cost of taking this course? When looking at your opportunity cost, are you more concerned with your lost time or money in the decisions that you have to make? And why is scarcity such an important focus for the U.S. economy? Now, with your initial post, make sure that you have at least 3 to 4 paragraphs. You must have an in-text citation and reference in APA formatting, and focus on content development. If you would like, I can easily review any of your discussion board work and provide support, but I look forward to your effort, and make sure to finish all your work on time, as no work's accepted in the course, but I look forward to working with you in the course.